Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Autocad for electrical engineering. First, familiarize yourself with the Autocad interface, including the ribbon and command line. Next, focus on understanding basic drawing commands like line, circle, and arc, which are crucial for creating electrical components. Practice navigating the workspace using pan and zoom to efficiently manage your designs. This foundational knowledge is essential before diving into more complex electrical drafting tasks. Once you grasp the basics, delve into Autocad Electrical's specialized toolset. This includes features for creating and managing electrical schematics, panel layouts, and reports. Leverage the extensive symbol libraries to quickly insert standard components like circuit breakers, motors, and switches, saving significant time. Learning to effectively use wire numbering and component tagging ensures your designs are organized and easy to interpret, which is vital for any electrical project. Establishing a robust project workflow is key to efficient electrical design in Autocad. Begin by setting up a clear project structure, including folders for schematics, panel layouts, and reports. Adhere to industry design standards to ensure consistency and readability across all your drawings. Always save your work frequently and consider using version control to track changes, preventing data loss and facilitating collaboration. These practices will streamline your design process. To elevate your Autocad electrical skills, explore advanced techniques like creating custom scripts or routines to automate repetitive tasks, significantly boosting your productivity. Consider integrating Autocad with other software, such as PLC programming tools or three-dimensional modeling applications, for a more comprehensive design solution. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your workspace. Continuous learning and practice are vital for mastering this powerful software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.